Hello everyone! I miss you all so much and I miss our time together. This is not the same. We are here in my basement, but we're gonna make it work. We'll do our very best. The goal with this video is to give you all of our new grammar. In class, we go over everything 7 times, but today I'm gonna do 2 or 3 times and you can pause the video and repeat, or you can play it again. You can also check out the app that's on the App Store, the CC Cycle 2 app, and you can use that to do your memory work. Okay, let's start out by praying. God, thank you so much for today. Thank you for being with us, even in this virtual and digital meeting that we are having. I pray that your presence would be here and that you would help us to absorb and learn all that we need to and all that you have to show us. Amen. Okay, let's start out with timeline, okay? Just like in class, I'm going to have you repeat after me, okay? Let's do this. Australia becomes a Commonwealth. Mexican Revolution. World War I and President Wilson. Lenin and the Bolshevik Revolution in Russia. U.S. evangelist Billy Graham. Modern period of the arts. The Great Depression and the New Deal. Okay, let's sing it together slow, okay? Australia becomes a Commonwealth. Mexican Revolution, World War I and President Wilson, Lenin and the Bolshevik Revolution in Russia, U.S. evangelist Billy Graham, modern period of the arts, the Great Depression and the New Deal. Okay, let's do it one more time, okay? Australia becomes a Commonwealth, Mexican Revolution, World War I and President Wilson, Lenin and the Bolshevik Revolution in Russia, U.S. evangelist Billy Graham, modern period of the arts, the Great Depression and the New Deal. Okay, good job. You guys can go over that more. Now let's look at our map, and this is super tiny on the map, so you are going to have to look at the app or one of your maps so you can see better. So I'm going to say it and you repeat it. The one in orange right here is Thailand. And then this pink is Cambodia. The brown, Laos. And the stripes that are orange are North and South Vietnam. Okay, let's say them together a few times. Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, North and South Vietnam. Again, the orange is Thailand, the pink is Cambodia, the brown is Laos, and the stripes are North and South Vietnam. One last time. Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, North and South Vietnam. Okay, good job. Let me take this down. Okay. Next, let's do English. Okay, English. Say a positive. A positive. So you repeat after me. And a positive is a noun or pronoun directly beside another noun that explains or identifies it. Okay, good. Let's read it together. And a positive is a noun or pronoun directly beside another noun that explains or identifies it. And here's an example. In this sentence, it says, "The puppy was mine." If we add an appositive, the puppy a retriever was mine. So retriever is your appositive here. The puppy was mine. The puppy, a retriever, was mine. So retriever renames this noun. Okay, let's say it one more time. Appositive. An appositive is a noun or pronoun directly beside another noun that explains or identifies it. Okay, good. English done. History. All right, here is our history. Tell me about the Vietnam War. I'll say it first, you repeat. In 1965, President Johnson sent U.S. troops to stop communist North Vietnam from capturing all of South Vietnam during the Vietnam War. Okay, let's say it together. Tell me about the Vietnam War. In 1965, President Johnson sent U.S. troops to stop communist North Vietnam from capturing all of South Vietnam during the Vietnam War. And I am recording with my phone, so I can't play the song. Will you please get online and play the song so that you can have this song in your head? Next week, I'll find a way to play the song. All right, there we go. Let's ask a question with our science, all right? Let's see. Today the question is, what is the second law of thermodynamics? What is the second law of thermodynamics? Can you repeat after me? Often called the law of entropy, the second law of thermodynamics explains why heat flows from an area of higher temperature to an area of lower temperature. Okay, so when we say heat, we're going to do this, heat. And we're going to say flows from an area of higher temperature to an area of lower temperature. Okay? I'm going to ask the question again. What is the second law of thermodynamics? Let's say it together. Often called the law of entropy, the second law of thermodynamics explains why heat flows from an area of higher temperature to an area of lower temperature. Let's do it again. What is the second law of thermodynamics? Often called the law of entropy, the second law of thermodynamics explains why heat flows from an area of higher temperature to an area of lower temperature. One more time. What is the second law of thermodynamics? Often called the law of entropy, the second law of thermodynamics explains why heat flows from an area of higher temperature to an area of lower temperature. Okay, good job. Let's do our math. Okay, in math, can you say circumference of a circle? Okay, good. So circumference is the distance all the way around a circle. What is the measurement all the way around a circle? So please repeat after me. The circumference of a circle equals 2 times pi times the radius. Okay, and here's what it looks like. C equals 2 pi r. Okay, let's say it again. We'll say it together. The circumference of a circle equals 2 times pi 3.14 times the radius. Let's do it again. The circumference of a circle equals 2 times pi 3.14 times the radius. One more time. What is the circumference of a circle? The circumference of a circle equals 2 times pi 3.14 times the radius. All right, we've got our math. Here is our Latin. Okay, here we go. Latin, Say first conjugation endings, perfect tense. All right, let's sing our song. Isti it, imus istus errant, first conjugation, perfect tense. Isti it, imus istus errant, first conjugation, perfect tense. One more time. Isti it, imus istus errant, first conjugation, perfect tense. All right, guys. That is about the best we can do. I really want you to go in and listen to the song for the history sentence. And then also this week, we would have been listening to Beethoven's Fifth Symphony, the one that goes da 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 da, da 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 da. So I want you to listen. And do you remember how we sat and listened in class? I want you to listen without doing anything else. Just try and listen for the different instruments, see if you can hear what they are. And we sent some information, some papers, so that you can have a map to follow along with as you listen. And there's really, really good stuff there, and I am excited for you to listen for it together as families. So if you have any questions, please let me know. And if you have any suggestions about how to do this differently next week, I am all ears. All right, bye everybody. I'll see you later.